second dive of the day was at Mawan, which is located at the center of Komodo National Park. We jumped into a plateau of 2 meters with beautiful corals. With back-heading current, we had the reef on our right shoulder. There were layers of plateau at the depth of 5 to 7 meters and another at 12 to 14 meters. It was an easy drift dive with beautiful coral garden. Full moon, and with rising tide, the visibility was getting less, but that meant more chances to see the mantas. Mawan is famous for the manta rays. Manta means blanket or cloth in Spanish, and they're usually white and black, and rarely black, called ninja manta. When we arrived to the sandy bottom, there was a rock on the top around 5 to 7 meters, which is the cleaning station for the mantas. Manta rays come to the cleaning station to clean themselves. Small fish, who will be the cleaners, come to the manta rays to remove the parasites. Mantas usually do the cleaning 8 hours a day, but that doesn't mean they stay in the same place for 8 hours. Mawan is all about luck. And yes, we were so lucky because we saw several mantas in this dive site. During our safety stop, this happened. Darmin told us, treat the manta like a big boss. If the manta rays pass by, you just let them pass. Mantas are the bosses in the water, so never go towards them. So that's what we did. We just stayed there and let the manta rays do their thing. We were so lucky at Mawan to witness this incredible scene.